What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, Huawei's P50 series are like 3 to 4 days away from the official unveiling, and leaks regarding the smartphone is not stopping at all. So today we got a hands-on video of the Huawei P50 Pro, although the phone is not in the working position, which led me to conclude that this is basically a dummy video of the final product. So we already have a good idea of the overall design of the phone, but this video further confirmed it. So yeah, the first thing this video shows that the flagship will receive a curved display with a round cutout at the top of the display for the selfie camera. On the back side though, the main camera unit is installed, which received 2 circles, inside which there are basically 5 image sensors, one of which is the periscope. So rumors indicate that the role of the main sensor in the Huawei P50 Pro will go to the Sony IMX800 1-inch sensor, which is one of the biggest sensors available today, and will also offer a telephoto lens with a focal length of 125 mm and support for the 5x optical zoom. Some rumors are suggesting that it will get 10x optical zoom, but nothing is confirmed yet. And you know, the most important part of the phone is that the company's CEO Richard Yu promised that the P50 series will reinvent smartphone photography once again and start a new era of mobile imaging. Well, you guys know that Huawei sets the bar when it comes to the photography on smartphones. It's been the case for a long time. Although surely some of this tech would have made its way into Apple, Samsung, Google and other devices, but Huawei's role was to disrupt the market and make the new records, and I believe that this P50 Pro will do the same. Anyway, I got a sad news as well. So Rodent, a well-known Huawei leakster, tweeted that the dummy units of the Huawei P50 Pro had Kirin 9000 4G chipset in it, which is surprising because I thought that Huawei have Kirin 5G chipsets and they will use Qualcomm 4G chipsets in fewer P50 series, so why they are still using Kirin 9000 4G chipset in the flagship? Well, right now I don't have the answer. I'm digging down in it to find out what is actually happening. Anyway, right now, take this information with a pinch of salt until we get something official. So right now, tell me your thoughts regarding the first live look of the phone. And if you somehow found this video interesting, then a sub to the channel would be amazing for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.